Hello listeners, welcome back to Cryotos Maintenance Management. I'm your host, Bruce, and today we're delving into asset management and its synergy with computerized maintenance management systems. We're joined by the inimitable May, a seasoned expert in maintenance management and IoT applications. Welcome back, May.
Thank you, Bruce. Always a pleasure.
Let's get started, May.
Absolutely, Bruce. Asset management is the systematic approach to governing the entire life cycle of an organization's assets, including their acquisition, operation, maintenance, upgrade, and disposal. The main goal is to maximize an asset's value while minimizing its ownership cost.
Excellent explanation. Now, how does a CMMS come into play?
A CMMS is a vital tool for effective asset management. It helps track, schedule, and document maintenance activities on an organization's assets. It also records an asset's history, provides predictive data for future breakdowns, and helps manage spare parts inventory. So in a way, a CMMS can be a game changer for organizations looking to optimize their asset utilization.
Could you provide an example of how a CMMS improves asset utilization?
Certainly, Bruce. Let's take preventive maintenance as an example. With a CMMS, you can schedule regular maintenance activities, which reduces the risk of sudden equipment breakdowns and extends the asset's lifespan. This reduces the total cost of ownership of the asset while ensuring maximum uptime.
That's a tangible benefit indeed. Now, how would a company start integrating a CMMS into its asset management strategy?
Great question, Bruce. It starts with understanding the company's needs, then selecting a CMMS that aligns with those needs. Once the CMMS is chosen, the company needs to document and upload the asset information into the system, followed by training the team on how to use the system effectively.
That sounds like a process that requires a fair bit of planning and consideration.
Absolutely, Bruce. However, the payoff is often worth it. A well-implemented CMMS can significantly improve efficiency, reduce costs, and prolong asset life, making it an essential tool for effective asset management.
Well said, May. Thanks for providing such valuable insights on how a CMMS fits into asset management and its potential benefits.
Always a pleasure, Bruce. The right use of a CMMS is indeed a game changer in asset management.
And on that note, we're wrapping up this episode of Cryotos Maintenance Management. Join us next time for more deep dives into the exciting world of maintenance management.